So BSA Ralock, and we loaded 7 rounds through the typical tubular magazine through the buttstock loading. This is cocking the action. We're ready to go, and there's our target. Effortless operation. You're probably wondering, where are the empties? Here's the cool thing. This is a very environmentally friendly 22 semi-auto because the empties don't come out. They come out when you lower the lever. They're all collected underneath the action. If we decide we want to be safe, flip that lever over and the whole action pulls apart. It's just a brilliant design.